Japan in the 1980s had conquered the world of technology. But behind the neon lights and booming economy, a silent killer was spreading. Young workers were dying at their desks. Heart attacks in people under 30 were skyrocketing. And the Japanese even invented a new word for it, Karoshi, death by overwork. And the government's solution wasn't pills or therapy. They told the most overworked population on Earth to go look at trees. We think burnout means we're weak, that if we're tired, we just need to toughen up, grind harder, or take a quick vacation. But Japan's forestry agency realized something radical. Burnout wasn't a flaw in people, it was a flaw in biology. For 99.9% of human history, we lived in forests, by rivers, under open skies. Then, in less than a century, we locked ourselves in concrete boxes under fluorescent lights, breathing stale air. The modern city isn't just stressful, it's hostile to the human brain. And Japan understood you can't fix biology with a motivational speech. You have to change the environment. So in 1982, they launched a national health experiment called Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, where entire forests were designated as therapy bases. And this wasn't guesswork. Japan poured millions into research. They discovered that when you walk into a forest, you inhale invisible compounds called phytoncides, natural oils released by trees. And within minutes, stress hormone cortisol drops, blood pressure decreases, heart rate slows, and most shockingly, your natural killer cells, the immune cells that fight viruses and cancer, increase by more than 50%. The forest isn't leisure, it's slow-release airborne medicine. And here's the genius part. Shinrin-yoku requires nothing. No hiking gear, no athletic skill, no schedule. Because doing nothing is the point. You wander, you sit, you touch the bark of a tree, you listen to the wind. And in a culture obsessed with speed, this became a mandatory pause. Companies prescribed it, doctors recommended it, and suddenly taking a break wasn't laziness anymore. It was maintenance for peak performance. Today, the world faces a mental health crisis, and we rely on apps, pills, and productivity hacks to fix it. But Japan's experiment reveals a deeper truth. We're trying to adapt humans to machines instead of giving humans what they actually need. Nature isn't a weekend luxury, it's essential infrastructure, as vital as clean water or electricity. And you cannot remove nature and expect a healthy society. We think the opposite of work is play, but the Japanese discovered the truth. The opposite of work is the woods. And sometimes the most productive thing you can do is absolutely nothing. So take the next step. Grab your shoes, find the nearest green space, and try Shinrin-yoku today. And if this changed how you see nature, drop a comment below and subscribe for more powerful ideas from around the world.